Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple destinations in Google Maps. So to start with, you just want to choose your starting location. I'm just going to choose Central London for the sake of the video. And we'll go ahead and click directions. Now in this example, I'm just going to choose Leeds that we're going to. But as you can see, there's not actually an option to choose another destination, like if you wanted to stop on the way, for example, just yet. So what we have to do in the top right corner is click these three dots. And from here, we can click Add Stop. Now this adds it to the bottom. If you wanted a stop in the middle, say you wanted to go to a certain shop or location in the middle of your trip, what you'll do is you'll click these three bars on the right here and you just drag up to the middle or the top or wherever you need it. And you can leave that there and then you can type in where you need to stop off. Say I wanted to go to McDonald's, for example, I can just type in McDonald's, click that one. I chose one very close to the starting location. But as you can see, it starts here where this white dot is, heads over to the McDonald's, and then it will loop back around and it will go all the way up to Leeds. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.